And this happened outside the John O'Brien School of Science and Math, right around dismissal time here on Malcolm X Boulevard. Boston police responding to the incident around 1:50 this afternoon. That's just as students were being dismissed. Now, in a letter sent to parents, Boston Public Schools says there was a physical altercation outside the school building. BPS says an adult involved in the fight, but not connected to the O'Brien School, was seen to have a firearm, and Boston police placed that person under arrest. No students were injured, according to BPS. Again, this all happening at dismissal time, the fight outside the school building, leading to the arrest of someone, an adult with a firearm. BPS says disciplinary action is possible for any students who may have been involved in that altercation. By the way, the school here, its last day is next Friday.